Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel app tutorial. On today's video I'm going to show you how to check time and date of messages in Messenger. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, open the Messenger app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, launch the app, give your login details, then sign in. Now on your screen you can see options like create new message, menu, chats, people and stories. All you have to do is open the chat where you want to see the date and time of the message in Messenger. Now you can see there's usually the time given right above the text. If they've sent multiple texts, then all you have to do is tap on the second text gently, then you can see it's gonna give you the time and date again on the top of the message. Well, if the message is sent under a week or so, it's only gonna give you the name of the day of the week. But if it's an old message, then they're gonna give you the whole date and time of the message sent. And guys, that's it. That's how you check time and date of message in Messenger. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.